Um, I would have liked to seen it go a little bit higher, but where did it actually get to? Let's see. Yeah, I didn't quite get that 275 number. Really like this area, guys. Like I said, I want to be a little stingy this morning. Just doubly double confirm. Oh, keep it. Keep it, Ron. Keep it. Be happy. Yeah, if anything, guys, here's the deal. Here we go. Let's just do this. Oop, that's not gonna do it. Trying to get this guy to do it on the wrong one. Probably getting a little bit cleaner one on this guy. Let's do it on that then. There, that looks a little cleaner. Now you have a guide. There you go, Stevie. Name of the game this morning. Sit on your hands until you see a good high probability trade. Expect swings, guys. You know, what you guys just pointed out to me. Today's quad witching, right? Expect swings up and down. Expect swings of about how much? Think about this, guys. Expect swings of about how much? Hmm. There we go, guys. $165. That's a good number. I'll use that as the expected swings for today. Yeah, and I mean, check it out. We're just chopping around a pivot too now. So I just don't like trading when it's chopping around the pivot either, guys. A lot of things here that say, let's just wait. We've made our profits this morning. We are so close to the open. Why push anything? Why push anything at all? Um, it's probably about the time that I do a quick disclaimer for all the newbies, all you guys that are newer on trial with us. Um, we are patient traders. We're waiting for high probability trade setups, and we do wait the first 6 minutes after you open. Some Quite a few people in this room do have permission to trade the open because they've shown that they can do it well and they're good traders. Everybody else has to wait 6 minutes. Those of you on trial, please make sure to participate. If today's your first day on trial, we will make sure that you have Monday and Tuesday as well on your trial, so don't worry about that. um, and let's see what else. So newer people, please ask questions, participate, take notes. If you're trading, you're a trader, please do it on sim, especially if it's your first day or two in the room with us. It does take anywhere from a couple weeks to a few months, depending on your skill level, to catch on to the things that we do in this room. So understand that we are here. When you're here on trial, you're here to start learning what we do, how we do things. If it's your first day on trial, please make sure to make it back Monday so you can make it to class, our pro class. And then on Tuesday, we have basic training, and we have two classes you can make it to, including the main trade room. Download the mobile app. Again, we're waiting first 6 minutes. Probably at this point, we're going to wait the first 6 minutes after the open, since we're getting so close to it, and we will start making decisions after that. We've had two really good, easy trades this morning so far. One home run, one good little, one one little scalp. So a home run and a scalp. That's good. Just be patient. Anybody, anybody out there, if you picked up 120 points before the market opens, that's a good start to your day. No need to force any other trades in unless you absolutely see a perfect trade set up. Yeah, it's a great start to the day. No need in pushing it. We are going to be patient. Or we're going to use the word, we are going to be disciplined. How about that? We're going to be disciplined. So, and again, with the volatility number, you guys, you just don't start shorting. Look for a good setup. Maybe we want to see something like a double top, right? If you do a 16 tick rule, I mean, again, we're going to wait until the open, but you just start thinking through these things. That did creep eerily close to our volatility number. 140 seconds till the open. Wait, sorry, minute 40 seconds. Discipline come from within. 1 minute. Let's be happy. that we are in profits before the open. Right, guys? If you see a bigger M form here, um, we do know that think about it like this. We do know it broke the pivot with a little wiggle earlier. So if we get a good thrust down through the pivot, then that could be a good little sell signal. All right, we're open, guys. Again, those of you with permission to trade the open, like I said, you get a nice little thrust below the pivot. Should be a good sell signal for those that are advanced. Everybody else, just be patient. Wait the 6 minutes. We will have plenty of trades today. And again, I really, really don't. I'm going to be conservative, guys, just to be honest with you. And I'm going to be here to guide you guys through this. If you guys jump in a trade, tell me. If anybody gets in a trade, tell me. And I'll tell you where your stops need to go. Okay. Did any of you guys with permission to trade the open take this short up here? Did anybody do that? Those with permission to trade the open? There you go, Paul. There you go. Like I said, if it breaks a pivot with some thrust, guys, that will be a short signal. Like, you know, maybe down here somewhere. Just a couple minutes in, so let's let the pros fight it out. Those that are experienced, hopefully you went flat or got close to it or took contracts and pulled your stops down. Everybody else, just be patient. There's very rarely a day that we don't see a good trade between 9:36 and 9:38. Very rarely a day goes by. So just know that. Keep that in mind. Know that we got some patience. Craig. All right. Well, I mean, it was a volatility number. This is a good volatility short, right, guys? Even if you took this little trend line break, you got it. All right. There it is. Couple more minutes, just a couple more minutes for you newer guys to wait. We will be fine. We'll have plenty of trades, plenty of trades. Just move your stop down, Paul. Anybody who did that off the volatility number, good job on you. Um, at least use 297. That way you get plenty of profits locked in. At least use 297 as your stop. Thank you, Mike. Been saying it wrong for so long. I'm in rehab from my country ways of speaking. Ticks started pretty darn low. Not really extreme, but they started low. Starting to see a little weakness now. This is really the area I'd probably be looking at, guys. This little low here, 230 ish. Sitting here talking with my mic off. So, an M may be good, right? But I'm kind of looking around all this congestion here, guys, right around this area. I'm kind of wary of this congestion, right in this area. I mean, it's just kind of holding true. So an M would give me more confidence like that. But I really want to see it below this area, at least stay below the pivot, right? If we can get it stable below the pivot, then I'm gonna have a lot more confidence in taking those rallies and shorting them. If you guys want to do something, put a sell stop down here, right? That makes sense, guys. If you just want to have something to do right now, keep yourself from fidgeting too much. Um, you know, like a 240, even 240 sell stop. There you go, and then you can just wait. 16 tick rule, back right from where we shorted before. What time is it? Oh, it was 9:40. The trade came on. Oh, okay. Took a little longer than 2 minutes. Okay, everybody should have profits locked in now. You guys got your first target off, right? Yes. Yes. What I just said, guys, I want to get out of this congestion area, one side or the other. And we did it. And a nice little sell signal from exactly where we shorted before. Clean 16 tick rule trade. Doesn't get any easier than that, right, guys? Now move your stops down. Let's do, and that's what patience pays for. Woohoo! Mike P, did you grab that? Nice. Good job, guys. Hey, now we don't have to worry about it. We're already in short. If it breaks through the pivot, then let's buckle up and get ready for the ride. If not, squeeze your stops down. And we had another fantastic trade. Did we took what? Um, didn't even take a tick of heat if you got this proper entry. Even if you were late, you took maybe a tick of heat if you were late, too. Maybe a tick or two of heat. I would like to see it bust through the pivot, right, guys? Get that bust through the pivot. We can relax and just trail our stops. See, playing by the rules are fun. It's fun playing by the rules. Now, everybody has to be green. Everybody in this room's got to be green, right? Anybody red? Like 3 easy peasy trades this morning. Didn't even have to shush it, fish. There's no way. Seriously? Tom, okay, all right. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna smack you first, then I'm gonna fix that. How about that? Guys, I can talk to fish like that. Sorry. I get well, guys, around the pivot, squeeze the stops down. Hopefully you guys got flat, right? You guys squeeze your stops down, got flat. Should have been somewhere around this area. Yay, nay. Can you guys hear me? Good job. Good trade, everybody. Good freaking trade. That is how you do it. If you did not, now use 302 as your stop. 302 is the stop if you did not. Lots of swings today. Expect lots of swings. And there's our pivot break. All right. Anybody that re-entered or have your sell stop in place, bring your stops down now. Now, again, we're going to use 278. 278. There is your sell stop getting hit, guys. Nice job. Let's use the pivot as the stop now. Boom. 2 ticks above. 265 is the stop now. Home runs all morning long. Still got to use that same stop worldwide. Still got to use the same stop. Hopefully, you took profits on the contract so far worldwide. You did, right? Please say yes. You took profit on the contract. Did you take profits on the contract already worldwide? Okay, good. Then you're good. Yeah. Now what? Okay, 263. Put your put your stop at 261. Leave it. How about that? That work for you? Here, let's do something to help us out here. Let's go with
Die, you dirty dog.
let's get one of those puppies in. How about that? If the ticks go above zero, you might want to think about squeezing that trade down and closing it out, but it doesn't look like that's happening right now. So here we go. Loving it, guys. Who all is in this? Who all in this? I would think most everybody. You either got in here when we called it, stayed in, or you re-entered here, or you did the sell stop that we gave out. Either way, either way, All 3 scenarios, you had a chance to get in. Don't don't be flat, Marsha. Follow the stops, Marsha. I'm gonna get you to get a runner one day, Marsha. How about that? Soon. That be okay with you? I've made it my personal mission since you send me your trade log. I'm gonna get runners out of you. All right? You good with that, Marsha? Since you do your homework, I'm gonna spend some time on you. We're gonna work. I'll give you a free. How about this, Marsha? I'm gonna give you a free coaching session just because you send me your homework every single time. What do you think about that, Marsha? We'll share charts, look at your trades, go through it, just for doing what you're supposed to do. There you go. Get it on the calendar. Reach out to Paulina. Get it on my calendar for next week. You get a full blown actual coaching session just for doing your homework and being cool. Nerds are cool in this group, guys. Nerds are cool. Do your homework. Send me your trade logs, and things like that happen for you. So, and here, like I said, guys, the line in the sand for me today was a pivot. So, it, and that my thought process is, you get these, like, think about it, just stabbed at the pivot, stabbed at the pivot, stabbed at the pivot, stabbed at the pivot several times this morning, and just kept knocking on the door. So you would think now we are in business as usual, and should continue to go down. So we should be able to look for any of those retracements. All right, guys, let's move our stops down some. Now, I like 251. Now, if we can't, if it can't, yeah, once it gets overbought, guys, we can't, and it can't push through the pivot again. That's a sell signal, right? When it gets overbought again, if it can't push through the pivot, it's going to be a sell signal. And then it says, no, I can push through the pivot. It's all right, guys. Four for four. 4 for 4 this morning, guys. That's the way to start the day off. Start is done for the day. I love it. I'm urging you guys. I'm urging you guys. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day. I am urging you guys, literally urging you guys, down to shut down your trading platforms. Bought 2 of these trades. See that? That's the sell signal, right, guys? You see that sell signal? Got a little sidetracked there. Couldn't quite push through the pivot. Nice little 16 tick rule sell signal. That's what we were looking for in the overbought. Anybody that didn't catch the previous 4 trades, did you guys catch that? We're trying to get everybody green and done for the day. Get green. Dennis, you should be close to being done for the day, buddy. Denny, great job. Gongs all morning long. I'll do it every single time. Fish, stop trading scared, Fish. You know what to do, buddy. You've been way too profitable, way too long. You got it. Nice job, guy. I'm gonna start lumping these done for the days together. Great job, Denny. Great job. That's all right, David. Hey, David, 43 points positive going into a weekend is a good thing. Okay. Nice guy. Yeah. Hey, you know what? I'll take 49 points as a if based on our David, let's look at it this way. Based on the conversation you and I had, if you could do 49 points a day for the next 30 days, you as a trader will change. Your mental attitude, your emotional capital, your actual trading will change. A message. All right, Stuart. Yeah, I saw your email. I've had a ton of emails. I'm gonna get back to you. Okay. Yeah, that's your focus. The in our call, that's the biggest thing we need to focus on. Stay green. Get in, get out. Nice job, Stuart. Stay green today, guys. No crazy trades. The pivot is acting like resistance now. That's what we wanted to see, right? This is exactly what we wanted to see. Pivot act like resistance. Let's move our stops down. Get a couple people. Who was done for the day? Who did I miss? God. One more for Gong for Guy. Good job. Can't do 1,000 gongs. We're gonna have to lump them all together at some point. It's exactly what we want to see, guys. Told you. Got a sell signal, couldn't quite push through the pivot, and now the stop is 245. This is a good target, a really good target right here. So if you have multiple contracts, take one off, squeeze your stops down, squeeze those stops down a little, and we could use, let's use 238 now is a stop. How many people are still in this? Nice, Killer B. Dennis, good. This is the everybody's green now trade. There we go. Wise trade. Wise trade. We are all green this morning. Just nibbling up newbies left and right. and making our way to the promised land. Yep. This is the one. Let's just sit on the sidelines here. Everybody should be flat on the last short, right? Everybody's flat on the last short. Everybody.
Good morning, gang.
Hey.
We are closing up the institutional room. Last call, everybody had their drinks. and St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hope it continues to be a great one for you guys. Have your beer money now. Yeah, that's great. Remember, it's quad witching and, some fun two-way trades. I'll be lucky if I do one. Yep, exactly. That's what we're thinking, that right after these reports, they'll go both ways for this quad witching. If you played, hopefully you played mostly on the sell side, guys, and everybody should be real green today.
Nope, we were just pushing buttons, losing all our money.
Yeah.
No.
I don't think so. Fish, you're red?
Fish.
You didn't take it? Ooh,
It
Fish.
shocked
Did you
me.
get the alert this morning, Fish, or the phone alert didn't go out? Oh, because we did it twice. We shorted 328, 32, 328. That was our magic number this morning. Twice.
We got 19 twice,
Yeah.
Coach.
Yeah.
319. So we were behind you guys.
Can I put an
We were
alert
just
now?
looking at the
Yeah, I'll
concept.
say it alert. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Or
Yeah.
our profit taking zone was between 32. Where did we get out? 214 in this last one, and 159 before. Okay. On the 32, 328 short, we did that twice. Our profit zones, I'm typing it in now. All right, this is the alert just going out right now. Oh, and happy St. Patrick's Day.
Check your cell phones. Those that have the app, see if you got it. Check your cell phones if you got the alert. Those that weren't getting alerts, check and see if you got it on your cell phone. If not, you got to go in. Oh, okay. Everybody got it. Perfect. Got it in the UK, Will. What phone? What are you on? A Android, Will, or are you on a Apple? Android. Those of you in the UK that are on Androids, Will, do you mind sharing what your app looks like? Take a screenshot or something. That way they can try to find it. The UK people are having a hard time finding. Oh, that's an iPhone. Oh, it may be the Apple is the issue for the UK people.
You know, Coach, I just thought of something. When we did the first alert, I did that from the institutional room. Does that mean some of these people would not have gotten it because they're not subscribed to that? How does that work?
Correct.
Yeah. All right. Then that's why you guys didn't get it.
The main room is the only one that every single member gets is the main room.
All right.
If
There
you're
you
doing an
go.
alert in any other room, whoever is subscribed to that room will get that alert.
Yeah, they got it. Everybody got
Membership
it.
level.
Now it explains it. Sorry about that,
Yeah.
guys. Yeah,
That's all right.
obviously early in the morning, I take over the institutional room. We have our institutional clients, big hitters. Those of you who want to trade 5, 10 contracts. Those who, I mean, you can trade 5, 10 micro minis, but is that going to be worth paying $1,000 a month? But if you're making $2,500 a day, guys, on average, you don't care about $1,000. You make your monthly fee in one day, and we give you advance warning on trades. So yeah, I post that in the institutional room. We'll let you guys know what we're doing. Like today, we said we're shorting, so you knew we were shorting. Yesterday, yesterday you wouldn't have wanted to been in. You would not have wanted to be in the institutional room because we were buyers, and for the first hour, we took good-sized losses. So again, you have to be willing to do bigger risk. So why not earn some money now on shorter term trades, and then later on, if you get to that level, move on. There's no rush.
Bingo. I think we did pretty well on the short side this morning, right, guys?
Yeah, you had small stops, and what else do you need?
We did pretty well. We had one trade that gave us 6 ticks of heat.
An alert was like this, Hunter. Here's what, well, I already closed the room. It was like this. Let's short at 32,328. Stop at, as a matter of fact, this one was very small. You guys could have taken it 32,348. First target.
We also did very well this morning, Robert, in this room.
Yeah, Robert was there. Robert will tell you. First target was 32,300. You remember in this room here, I pointed it out. Wait, by the way, hold on a second. I said there were giant bids. Yeah, I'll find it. You guys knew what I was doing. I posted it in this room way early. Let me scroll up. Got to scroll all the way up. Now, you do have to be in a little early. Don't come lazy into, 9:29 and go, hey, what's the numbers here? All right, Coach Allen, 32,215. Last alert. Yeah, see, it didn't go out. Yeah, I put that in the institutional room. Overnight trade was done in every room 2 days ago. Here it is, right here. How many people were in this room at 8:15 this morning? Who was in this room at 8:15 this morning? Okay, remember this posting? 32,300. There were 89 bid there. So you guys knew what we were doing. Somebody even asked, what do you mean by 89 bid? And I explained it. I said, we're short. Our first target is 300. So how could you not know we were shorting? See, that's why we want you to understand the markets and the setups, what we use for targets, when on tape reading, if you see a big number, we're going to go over that next week, by the way. And now you could be El Cheapo and go in for $149 a month and get nothing. We assume if you're paying $149 a month, you know a lot about trading to begin with. But if you don't, everybody wants what are you doing here? And you can't have it both ways. You can't be the janitor at Harvard University and say, hey, I went to Harvard. How come I'm only a janitor? Well,
wait, hang on a second. Goodwill Hunting.
Yeah, I know. I remember. That's what I was saying. You could be an enlightened janitor.
Janitor.
Bill, you're done for the day. Don't worry about M's, W's, Kiss the Blarney
I
Stone.
just anybody that didn't
Enjoy
get
life.
it, I did say there was an M. So
Yeah, you're done for the day, Phil. You had two good winners, I understand. Don't give your money back. Give it to me. Send me $100. I'll go to McGuire's and buy the first 3 people I see a drink on you. I'll say, hey, Bill is doing it this way rather than.
could some
Playing
people
with
did do this M short here that from the top there right after
Yeah,
the
it's beautiful and broke
3
the
minutes
vivid.
after the news. Did you guys who is in that I don't know of? I know we got like 5 people in that M trade, but not trying to overrun you, coach. I just want to make sure
No,
they get their
not at
stuff
all.
in.
If they still need to trade, let them.
Couple people. Okay. Squeeze your stops down, guys.
I'm
Where's
still
your
mad.
target?
They posted the winning Florida lottery number the other day, and I didn't play it. I'm upset. Why didn't I play that number? I knew it was going to win. I asked Mr. Predicto. Is this the winning number? You can get the winning number from him, but you got to ask him 187,000 times. And eventually he'll go, yes, that is the number. And today the cat touched it was kind of funny. Because I was asking, like I said, it looks like we're going to go to 159, which was our final target for this morning. And the cat touches the Mr. Predictor and he said, that is a certainty. And then the cat jumped off and ate a treat or something. Cats are
Marsha,
good.
did you click?
I'm sorry, we took this.
I'm just trying to help Marsha. Marsha, did you click on the mobile app thing in the top left of the trade room, Marsha? You got to move out of that country. In the main trade room, there's a little menu bar at the top left. Click on that menu bar and you see the mobile app info. Did you go that route, Marsha? You guys see what I'm talking about here?
Quick question. How many of you waited for a 165-point rally to go short?
We did.
Yeah. So a lot of everything that we follow pretty much happened today. So unless you faded that, you should be green.
256 is a stop now, guys. 256. Nice trade. Nice job, guys. This is a profit-taking area, obviously, has been all morning.
Quick quiz for everybody in this room. Where should you go short based on volatility? Where should you have put and can put a limit order to go short? Let's see if anyone knows. And way in advance.
Tell them, guys. Put it in. Oh. You guys gave me the answer earlier. Come on. You gave the right answer.
Ding,
there you go. Brooke.
Ding, 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 ding. 2 answers correct. Brooke, Claude.
I knew you guys knew it.
Bill's off.
Coach, everybody gave me 317 earlier. Now
they're changing. Oh, they forgot.
Numbers. I'm like, what?
You gotta start remembering. What's the low? You guys should know how to find the low on a chart. Here, we're gonna pull a chart up. I mean, this is not basic. What's the low today? Now, not with that arrow or anything. You should know the difference between today and yesterday. Come on, this is sandbox stuff. Yeah, and if you don't know how to do it, and I'm gonna have a basic class Monday. That's it. Pro room, basic class, because we got people in the program, they don't know how to get lows. They'll say, what's the low? 32, 300. Here, you put your mouse or crosshairs, right? Crosshair, you could be a hunter and know that. I never hunted anything, but I would know what a crosshair is.
237 is the stop now, guys. 237 is the
Thank
stop.
you, Coach.
Sorry.
No,
keep
no
doing-
sorries
keep-
for making money.
Yeah, you keep doing your thing. I'm just keeping doing stops.
Yep. So you take that low and you add, meaning plus on your calculators, 165. You should all come out with the same number. Thank you very much. That's why you guys are not getting the right number. Because you're like, oh, I don't know where the low is. Where is that? Golly gee.
If you guys want to lock in 100 ticks, I won't blame you on it. This is a
Yeah.
good spot to do it.
Yeah.
You guys that are still in, anybody still in, you want to lock in that 100 ticks, do it.
Great job, Tiger A. Yeah. First week in the room, he's getting it. You guys have been here more than a week, and you
Way to
still
go,
don't know what the
Tiger.
low of the day is.
Nice job, Claude. Nice job, Claude.
Good job, Claude. I'm
Who
going to
else is
get
still
my
left in
second
it?
cup of
Anybody still
coffee. I'll
left
be
in it?
right back.
All right. Thank you, Coach. You guys still left in it? Anybody still left in it? I'm going to keep my mouth shut if there's not anybody left in it. Bill's still in it. Bill, you got to be green now. Fish, you did that one, right? Please say yes. No? Okay. A little gun shy today, Fish. All right. All right. Here's the deal. You know what I'm about to say. Go hide your mouse somewhere. Take a walk. Put yourself in a 27-minute timeout. Right now. Do it, Fish. 27-minute timeout. Please. For your own good. You're not in tune with the market today. You know it. Get away from it. Take a break. Get your head cleared. Get in tune. Here's the thing I know about you, and you know about you. You are a good trader. Get out of your own way. Okay, buddy? You've had such a good run. Past couple months have been great for you, right, Fish? Yeah. All right. So you know you're not in tune today. Walk away. Shut down your trading platform for 27 minutes. Stick in the room. Do whatever you want to do. Do what you have to do, but shut the trading platform down. No more trades for a while. I would venture to say, even at this point, maybe even wait until the afternoon, right? At least 27 minutes. Just sit back and relax. You've had such a good run recently. There's no point in blowing it up on a Friday. All right, buddy. See you in a bit. It was don't want to keep doing this, but that was another sell signal. I think most of us should be getting close to that point where we're done for the day. what to do if you just got here. Well, if you didn't take this little high stochastic, guys, what's the name of the game today now? Name of the game. As long as we stay below the pivot, what are we doing? Shorting rallies with overbought stochastics. Not a complicated plan. As long as we stay below the pivot, right? That is the plan. Every person that's gotten those at least 3 of the 5 trades we called this morning in should be plenty green and hesitant to take any more trades. Is there anybody in a trade right now? You guys still anybody still holding from the short way up here? Anybody re-short here? Is there anybody in a trade? Anybody? Where'd you get in at, Captain K? What's your fill price? 212. All right, a little late on that one, but you definitely have profits locked in. So bring your stop down to 210. $210. Let's see. Fritz, where's your re-short fill at? $206. Late to the party. Oh, yeah. Everybody's good. All right. 195 is a good stop. 195 is a good stop. After this, slow it down, guys. Slow it down. Nice little home run here. Now we can be a little bit more aggressive with the stop. Let's go 70, 178. 178. Now you guys have plenty of profits locked in. You can leave it there for a minute. And we are in another home run trade here, guys. Doesn't get much better than that for Friday morning.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and
Die, you dirty dog.
trial. During your trial with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to have questions answered by a coach, as well as access to our live basic and advanced training classes. After your first free 3 days, which is $149 for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.